Udi niwe wamenyete hitho akajua hiyo mambo yote na akajua for you to win you have to submit to the Almighty. Tani umakwe Ngai noko wale magituhujagirio horo uyu the nere metagwo methige ne methige ka ne ndo metagwo ata wolves in wolves ne in sheepskins na githiti gwichigwa
thini wa waru rwa ng'ondu
imagine muthige utumite rwa ng'ondu gacoka ruka uthini
no woka hana ng'ondu
kwani no kurikiraga ikiania wetereire utuko gukinye
utharikire ng'ondu
uri ngima. I'm already there complain about the husband was a pastor in a certain church and they were newly married. They know akanitha mutungatiricio nake ne akihuraga injiri kura ndwe thiku ici rwanda menyaga the difference between motivational speakers and pastors and evangelists rwanda ngota gutabura ndumenyaga kwagire nako na kwarorire nako so ne akihuraga injiri wega muno makiria no ne makoragwo na kindu gitagwo the prayer sessions ici ithiagwo hwaini and they used to go around houses na kanitha kwa makanitha by the way na ndika no notate we've got very many upcoming churches ira fellowship on very young very young
true
na heo ikidrari tugiuka kindu tugitagwo muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu and they are doing things very differently
masavici na andu ciao
maundu matiganite gutigana nginya kihiko kiao kuhikithania tici cianyu cia gutinda kumukinogania
muthenya mugima
haraka andu mageturire